Hello students, myself Ankit sir and I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Karit Master. Students, today we discuss the class 8 NCERT book and the first chapter is rational number. Let us start the first chapter, class 8 NCERT book rational number. But before starting the first lecture, first of all, you subscribe my this YouTube channel and like the videos. Also share this video to all your friends. And also friends, you press the bell icon for getting the latest notification of my videos. Students, let us start the introduction. In mathematics, we frequently come across simple equations. For example, x plus 2 equal 13. X plus 2 equal 13. What is equation? Students, what is equation? Equation having two sides, left hand side and right hand side, and the middle term is equal, and this type is called equation. Equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side, and the middle term is equal. In equation we find the unknown value. That is, if we find the value of x, then to transpose the right hand side and x equal 13 minus 2 and x equal 13 minus 2 11. By this way we find the value of x, and that is x equal to 11. Students, because this value of x satisfies the given equation, the solution of 11 is a natural number. Students, what is natural number? Natural number is a positive number. Natural number is a positive number. Natural numbers are counting number. Natural numbers are counting number. Natural number are started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and dot infinity. So students, what do you know about natural numbers? Natural numbers are positive number. Natural numbers are counting number. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 dot infinity. And what is whole number? What is whole number? If x plus 5 equal 5, then what is the value of x? X equal 5 minus 5 and x equal to 0. X equal to 0, and 0 is the whole number. 0 is the whole number. If we solve x plus 5 equal 5, then the solution gives the whole number, and whole number that is 0. Z-E-R-O 0. If we consider only natural number, equation 2 cannot be solved. To solve equation like 2, we added the number 0 to the collection of natural number and obtain the whole number. Even whole numbers will not be sufficient to solve equation of type x plus 18 equal 5. X plus 18 equal 5, and that is the equation 3. Do you see why? We require the number minus 13. We require the number minus 13. And 13 minus 13 is not a whole number because it is a negative number. and whole number is 0 and natural number are positive number. This led us to think of integer. What is integers? Integers is a combination of positive and negative. What? Integers is a combination of positive number and negative numbers. Note that the positive in the integers correspond to natural number. Positive integers correspond to natural numbers. One may think that we have enough numbers to solve all simple equations with the available list of integers. Now consider the fourth equation. 2x equals 3. What is the answer of this? 2x equal to 3. 2x equal to 3. 2 transpose and x equal 3 by 2. In left hand side, the relation sign between 2 and x is into. And when 2 goes to right hand side, then x equal to 3 by 2. Students, the fifth equation, 5x plus 7 equal to 0. How we solve this type of equation? 5x plus 7 equal to 0. 5x plus 7 equal to 0. First of all, 7 goes to right hand side. 5x equal to minus 7. 5x equal to minus 7. Then x equal to minus 7 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 5. For which we cannot find a solution from the integer. Check this. We need the number 3 by 2 to solve equation 4 and minus 7 upon 5 to solve equation 5. And this leads us to the collection of rational number. Rational numbers. We have already seen basic operations on rational numbers. We now try to explore some properties of operations on different types of numbers seen so far. Students, here the new topic, what is rational numbers? What is rational number? So rational numbers are fraction number. What? Rational number are fraction number. And fraction number, if we take the example of 3 by 2, then 3 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. And this line is called division line. What? Division line. Numerator, the above, denominator, the below. Numerator is 3 and the denominator is 2. Now, what is rational number? How we define the rational numbers? Rational numbers are written in the form of P by Q. Rational numbers are written in the form of P by Q, where P is integer, P is integer, Q is also integer, Q is also integer. Then a rational number written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer but Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. Q can't be 0. So students, you know about rational numbers. Students, this is the first topic, that is introduction, and the second topic is properties of rational number. So students, properties of rational number we will study in our second lecture. Students, we met again in our second lecture. Students, take care. Bye bye. And thank you very much